this morning, T.C. Tolbert and Heather Nagami, and they will read for a little under an hour total, and then we'll have about 10 minutes of question and answer. You can see there's a microphone here, so if you should have questions for the authors at that point, they'll both come up to this podium area. You can talk into the microphone over there. And afterwards, we follow to about 15 minutes of book signing. The books are available by both authors at this table and at the table over here. And they have a book signing area over on the side. Okay? Our first reader this morning is T.C. Tolbert. And it gives me great pleasure to introduce T.C. to you and tell you a little bit about his work and his book that just got published several days ago, I think. With T.C., I've rarely met a person more committed to the dynamic relationship between social activism and art. I think this is really essential to T.C.'s work, and I think you'll find that when you listen to his reading. This commitment is not only intellectual or creative, but most authentic in that T.C. stands in the center of such cross-engagement in his daily life. This is evidenced in his poetry when you speak to him, work with him, or perhaps if you only passed him on the street. In my experience, and I met T.C. shortly after moving to Tucson in 2005, so I've seen him in several different varieties of situations, artistically and otherwise. The person who engages you in person or in poetry is the same. The energy is parallel and most genuine. I believe this is often rare with many people, but it allows for the beauty of his song, the vulnerability of self, narrative, and feeling, and the impeccable control so present in his writing, whether poetry or prose. To write, it seems, he strips off the social and often false selves we carry, so that the poem hides nothing, not in an accretive chaos, but rather a precisely placed music and movement, which asks much of ourselves as readers in the reading. The work is realistically complex in that he often leaves us with questions, with the uncertainty of life or the whole thing, whatever it is, and does not see to articulate definition. In that greatest sense, his poetry articulates with us the brave, the new, the invisible, the ever-present, all our continuing truths. T.C. Tolbert was born in Chattanooga, Tennessee, and holds a B in literature and English with a minor in history from the University of Tennessee, as well as an MFA in creative writing from the University of Arizona. As a genderqueer feminist, photographer, and poet committed to social justice, T.C. has been part of several artistic collaborations, including Boys R Us, Transgender Awareness Week, Invisible City, and Movement Salon. He is assistant director of Casa Libre in La Solana and has previously worked as a youth outreach specialist and a prison project coordinator with Eon Youth Center through Wingspan. He has taught youth writing and is currently an adjunct instructor at Pima Community College. He is also the creator of Made for Flight, a transgender youth and ally empowerment project which incorporates transgender history, ally development, creative writing, and kite building to commemorate the lives of transgendered individuals who have been murdered. T.C.'s honors include the University of Arizona Academy of American Poets Award in 2004, runner-up for the Arizona Statewide Poetry Competition in 2006, and winner of the Arizona State Poetry Competition in 2010. His manuscript, Gyromania, has been a finalist for the Sawtooth Poetry Prize twice, and his chapbook, Territories of Folding, has just been published this month by Corey Press here in Tucson. His poetry has previously appeared in The Drunken Boat, The Pinch, Shampoo, Volt, A Trunk of Delirium, and Jubilat. Please welcome T.C. Thank you.